Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We from group 7. We want to presentation about our ISAS and the title in our ISAS is Implementation Face ID on Android. Before we start it, we want to introduce ourselves. My name is Desmita Aprilia and my partner is Dimas Nugroho. Next. What is face recognition? Face recognition is technology in increasing being applied, including for biometric recognition system, search and indexing system on digital image database and digital video database, security system, diagnostic area, access control, conference video, and human-computer interaction. The face recognition system is used to compare and input face image with a face database and produce the face that best match that image in any. Next.
The use of face recognition. To understand how facial recognition works, we first need to know the concept of feature vector. Each machine learning algorithm will learn from the data contained in a dataset. This algorithm will trace the data and identify the patterns that are in it. For example, if you want to identify someone's face from a photo, there are several things we can see as reference for a pattern, namely the ratio of the height of the width of the face only measure the height and width of face may be less accurate because photo can be reduced enlarged. However, even though there is a change in the size, the ratio of the face height to the width of the face will not change. Second, facial skin color. And third, the weight of other parts of the face such as lips, nose, and others. And next, face recognition scanner. Face recognition scanner is a biometric identification system that is very effective in producing information. This can occur due to the use of a neural network in producing information. This can occur due algorithms which play an important role in the development of face recognition system. Neural networks are created based on a model of how the human brain works. This algorithm then tries to mimic of the brain process of recognition a person face. And next, advantage and disadvantage of face recognition security. Advantage of the using recognition security. First, 100% accuracy. The accuracy of the FWare is also superior, which is 100%. All superior algorithm can distinguish between a person with or without glasses or a woman with a face that wearing expensive makeup. 2. Cheaper cost. The cost of FR is clearly cheaper because there is no replacement of equipment. The only device used is camera. 3. Is of use. This is of use of the FR is clearly outstanding. User don't need to do any routine at all, such as downloading attempts data at the end of the day or week, manually update new employee data deleting tasks such as reaction. And 4, lower maintenance. What is maintenance cost? Since the employee is no longer touch anything, no device can be tempered. 5. Always online and connected. Unlike money fingerprint, Kite, where you have to download the result of the end of the day, our BioXFR management software will continuously provide information for your online. And 6. Many brands or location. BioXFR has been designed for global use. This means that how attends is no longer the property of the local office only, but globally. And disadvantage of using face recognition security is face unlock is less than sure than PIN, password, or pattern. Your device may be unlocked with your photo as well as by people or objects with similar appearance. And unfortunately, face recognition technology is still full shortcomings and pros and cons that continue to be debated. Even more creep, these companies can their customer without their permission. For example, in one fast food company that perform facial recognition scanning of customer secretly. Next.
Next, I want to tell you about step face recognition scanner in Android. But before you set up Face ID, make sure there isn't anything covering the camera or your face. Face ID is designed to work with glasses and contacts. You cannot set up a Face ID if anything is obstructing your nose and mouth like a face mask. Face ID works best when your smartphone is approximately an arm's length or closer from your face. Okay. Isn't share screen? Okay, first you go to the setting and you can click password or biometrics if asked. Yes, and this page you can click add face in tap add face. Then you can enter the password. And you can click continue or start it. And you can keep your face in the camera. Yes, the Face ID can be working. And tap down the face recognition in unlock to smartphone is to be used. Okay, conclusion in our ISAS is the face recognition system is used to compare and input face image with a face database and product the face that best match that image if any. Face authentication is used to the test authenticity of a face with the face data that has been previously input. Face processing is a localization and a face localization, namely face detection, but assuming there is only one face in the image, face tracking to estimate the location of a face in real-time video, and facial expression recognition to identify human emotional condition. Is of great interest to the biometric approach because it focuses on the same identification that humans use primarily to different a person from another. Face recognition attendance system project search codes is an intelligent way of making attendance that is much safer and time efficient compared to the presence of exciting system. Authentication refers to an automatic way of verifying the match of a human face. And this is our presentation. Thank you for the attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.